In this video we will lay out a method that may help us convert wave energy into electricity. The method is simple and may be replicated anywhere along coastlines with strong wave currents. What we will need is 1. 2 parallel floating tube cylinder segments lined up end to end, reaching from the ocean toward the bank. 2. Multiple electric generators that are inside plastic hollow cylinders. 3. A polyester net that can be attached to generators inside cylinders, and that can also be positioned perpendicular to water surface to collect wave energy and parallel to water surface to reposition nets to starting position without much drag. And 4. Smaller nets that use waves as well to help pull generators back to starting position. The idea is to use a wide enough net to accumulate enough wave force at the water surface in order to convert that energy into electricity with proper gearing inside the tube cylinder. Under the water will be a bar attached to both generator housing, pink, that holds cylinders parallel as net pulls on both cylinders. Once generator housing reaches final position along the path, small nets can be utilized to reposition generators back to starting position just as long as the main net can be aligned parallel to water surface to reduce drag while reposition into the front. This simple setup may allow us to convert wave energy to green eco-friendly electrical energy without much resource, and can be assembled by utilizing recycled materials, hopefully. The concept is crude but may be refined by engineers that can add or fine-tune this concept into one that may help solve our oil dependency. And there you have it. Ocean wave electrical energy.
Cause I bleed petrol. We let go so the beats can control. Move real slow, like I'm sipping scissor. Land of the Oaks teamed up with the Bizzard. Pump for the future, here comes the rooster. Melanin man, so always feel super. Duper the lust bass neck with the cuts. Live from Babylon and double D. The girls go nuts, the boys go nuts. But none can touch what the king dreamed up. Your team dreamed up, my team too giddy. Writing on walls till we deep all city. We 360, you 45. Now we see who keep the party live. Gon' give it up, cause your boy get caught. If you really feel fly, gon' put your hands up. All I wanna do is wanna teleport massive. Throw their hands up in the air, yeah, we feeling up. All I wanna do is wanna teleport. Throw their hands up in the air, yeah, we feeling up. We'll be willing to show you top billing up. Teleport massive.